I can't say more than thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for trusting me as an artist and trusting my talents. And thank you to the audience for the kind of love and support that they've been giving. It's been remarkable. Thank you so much.
And looking forward to your performance on the main IFA as well. You've been practicing religiously for it as well. Can you tell us a little bit of what you're going to be giving the audience at IFA?
Hello, everybody. First of all, I want to say thank you to IFA and Abu Dhabi for having me here today with some of the most amazing, iconic stars on stage here. After tomorrow's performance is going to be a very diverse performance of different dance styles. I'll be performing on all my hit numbers. We'll have a nice fan moment. An Abu Dhabi fan will be on stage with me performing. So it's going to be a good experience. For me, it's just a big deal to be here because I've always wanted to perform in IFA. So it's kind of like a dream come true. And of course, being on the same stage as someone like Salman Khan, a global icon, it's a big deal for me. And of course, Shahid, Tiger, Nania, Sarah, Ritesh, Manish, and Divya. It's a big deal, and I'm very honored and grateful for this platform. And yeah, I can't wait for day after. Good evening, everybody. First of all, I'd like to say thank you guys for coming out today. I think because this is too close to each other, yeah. In a nutshell, I'd like to say that Gauri and Neneka's designs embodies sophistication, elegance, and femininity, as you saw in today's runway show. My dress is a monochrome design, black and white, as you can see, one of the most glamorous, elegant colors. They've used velvet, which for me, I feel is one of the best fabrics to use because it accentuates your curves and makes you feel very womanly. And of course, they're the best in the business for this. The designs today have been inspired by Nexus car Ignis, which is very important for us to note. And obviously, I'm very humbled today to be a showstopper for you guys. I've been admiring your work for many years now. And the best part about Gauri and Neneka's designs, it celebrates women and their bodies and their femininity. Yes.
I think that was just amazing how Nora said it. And better than what she said also is the way she walked. Gauri and I were watching the show backstage on a screen, and we both literally, like, we've done this many times, but we both had our jaws open because we're like, we have never seen anyone walk so beautifully, so elegantly, very gracefully, stylishly, everything. You know, we were quite blown away, and no one could have done more justice to this outfit than you.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Actually, मैं बहुत nervous हूँ. बहुत ही nervous हूँ. And it's like I'm full of emotions क्योंकि ये मेरी पहली बार trailer देखने, and I'm just like, what? Oh my God! This film is essentially about struggle, about passion, and dreams coming true, and chasing after your dreams, which is my story in Bollywood, chasing after my dreams. And being able to be a part of this family with Shraddha Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, backed by the biggest producers right now, Bhushan Kumar sir, directed by Remo sir. And Remo, you know what this means to me because when I go on set, I'm going to see Remo sir and I'm going to say, sir, the next dance film, you will cast me. And I prepped it for a week. I auditioned in front of my mirror and everything. And I didn't have the guts to tell him. 2 days we shot. मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला. Then we packed up and I was about to go to the vanity. And I said, no, you have to go and tell him you have to. I ran back to the set and I said, sir, the next film you do, please cast me. Okay, bye, good night. And I just left. And it's happening. So I want to say thank you for letting me be a part of this team. It means so much and having faith in me. And you could have took anyone in this world, but you took me. And thank you, it means so much. And I'm representing, Morocco on the stage, Canada on the stage, India on the stage. It means a lot. All these dancers here, watch out for them. Yeah. If it wasn't for Dharmesh, Salman, Raghav, Puneet, this this film would have never happened.
Everything's gone out of the roof and become a blockbuster. What do you have to say?
Obviously, I'm very grateful for that. I am a T Series artist, and my journey with T Series has been very fruitful. We've just been giving hits after hits after hits, and it is literally the engine of my career. If you think about it, we started with Dilbar, and that became an explosive worldwide hit, and that put me on the map. And people recognized me and gave me the necessary recognition I needed as an artist. And then, of course, T Series, Bhushan Kumar sir had trusted me to do a role in Batla House with Saki Saki, and that also is very explosive. And I'm just very grateful as an artist because it's very dicey. Our career is very dicey. You think you're going to be doing something nice, you take it out there, and the audience doesn't respond well. But we've been very lucky that our collaboration with everything that we've done, whether it was Dilbar, Kamaria, Saki, and now Pachtaoge, it's been received very well by the audience. And I can't say more than thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for trusting me as an artist and trusting my talents. And thank you to the audience for the kind of love and support that they've been giving. It's been remarkable. Thank you so much.
Nora, one last question to you. Talking about the diversification, the kind of roles you've been doing, इससे पहले वो जैसे मैंने कहा sensational, hot, pretty, and now we are saying emotional, that sentimental thing. So कितना credit देते हैं T series को और खुद को कि ये निकल के आया?
Of course, T Series को credit देना चाहिए, because they deserve that. If they didn't trust my ability as an actress or my skill as a talent, then I wouldn't be able to perform this way or even get these kind of opportunities and a platform. Artists need platforms, and they need someone to trust in them and to give them those opportunities. Otherwise, you would never see whether I can dance or whether I can act. I feel what's really exciting for me about Pachtaoge, it's giving me that platform to be diverse. Audience can now see me perform. Everyone enjoys when I dance, which is great. I love that. But now they can also see that I'm able to do a lot more than just dance. I am a versatile artist. I must say I was very, very shocked. I didn't expect that kind of positive response. And of course, T Series is there to provide that push and that support.
Thank you so much for sharing that.